All right, the clothes are in. I'm going to shut the lid. I'll put it on regular and hit, well, let's make sure the water's on. Okay, and let's hit start. Testing. When the start button is pressed, the washer will first perform a self-test on the lid lock mechanism. That's what it's doing now. You will hear a click, the basket will make a slight turn, and the lid will unlock briefly before locking again. This process may take 20 seconds to complete. Once the lid has locked the second time, the washer will use short, slow spins to estimate the load size. These sensing spins may take 2 to 3 minutes before water is added to the load, and you may hear the hum of those spins. If the sensing light is on, then the washer is working perfectly. You will hear the motor turn the basket in short pulses to thoroughly wet the load. The washer will then move the load briefly, pausing to allow water to soak in to the load and resume adding water. This process may repeat until the correct amount of water has been added for the load. Note, avoid opening lid during the sensing phase. The sensing process will start over when the washer is restarted. So we're still sensing, I guess. Oh, here we go. Some water. I'll pause this.